Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving. Yesterday I was very busy here in the kitchen getting prep done. I baked my apple crisp. Robin yesterday evening did brownies with some white chocolate chips. And I prepared a wonderful dinner, zucchini and stuff frittata with parmesan. It was a smashing hit. Very yummy. Oh, excellent. The recipe will be posted. Today's a little different because it is Thanksgiving. There's nothing here on the counter for me to show you because there's just way too much of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and read you the list that's going to be happening today and in the next couple days. The Thanksgiving feast here at the Tomosic household will include appetizers and stacks, which will include an olive oil bread dip, hot spinach artichoke dip, bacon and spinach dip. We've got various baguettes and other breads. For the feast today, it's going to be a farm bird that's spatchcocked with my herb butter, a sausage dressing with sage, creamy mashed potatoes, a shallot gravy, my famous butternut squash smash, a creamy corn casserole, and King Hawaiian rolls to go with the meal and just for good old snacking. And they'll probably be used Friday or Saturday for hot farm bird sandwiches. And the desserts I've already mentioned, an apple crisp and brownies with white chocolate chips. Both Robin and I are going to be cooking today. We're sharing the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I've got the schedule, so we're really not in here at the same time. Even though the kitchen is quite large and we have plenty of working spaces, it's just the way the schedule worked out. We're starting with appetizers, and actually Robin is handling most of the appetizers. Matter of fact, she is here. I do have a live studio audience, and she's waving from her, as she calls it, her director's chair. So, on this Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving again. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.